So it's our penultimate day on ship. We leave tomorrow midday and we're back in Tenerife. So there's still plenty of things to do and see. We are going to go and take a walk out into town in a minute or two, and then this afternoon we've got an excursion.
Yeah, we're going up to Mount Tidy, I think that's how you say it, and we've got a cable car ride, so we're looking forward to that.
Yeah, so lots to do still, and we're going to have a walk around in town. Right, so we're off the ship now. We're walking past where they were having that festival a few days back, and they're doing such a good job. It's so clean out here, it's fantastic. And the weather, as you can see, is really, really good. We've lucked out once again. So we're gonna walk over to the Opera House and have a look at that. That was a lovely structure that we saw on the way in. So it's gonna be really interesting to have a walk around there, and then we're going to walk into town. Right, fed and watered, and another good meal in a buffet, and we're ready for phase 2, which is the trip up into
The mountains.
the mountains and the cable car. So we're gonna get downstairs and make sure we're on the coach for that. Okay, so we are now at the top of the volcano, Point del Tidi.
TD.
I'm probably massacring it, but we'll put the name of it in the bottom.
And I'm all wheezy from walking up.
Yeah, exactly. It's high altitude here, or it's up in altitude. The cable car was very quick up. It holds about 40 odd people. This is another excursion well worth doing or considering. £65 and 38 euros of which was the cable car ride. So you get a couple of hours up here. It's about an hour and a half each way on the coach or minibus, depending on how many of you take the trip up, but well worth it.
Yeah,
wouldn't you say?
yeah, it's amazing views on the way up as well. I mean, we were travelling, we were ascending for probably a good hour.
Yeah, definitely. Through the forest.
Yeah.
So we've taken a lot of good footage, and you would have seen that. But we're going to now queue up for the cable car, get back, because we've got an hour before we need to get back to the bottom and get back to the coach. Otherwise they'll disappear without us, or we'll have to do a song and a dance before they come back. And then we'll see you back on board. Right, so we're back down now and waiting for the minibus. It's now shut. It shuts at 4 o'clock. So yeah, it was really good, wasn't it? One thing I would say up there, you'll probably see from the footage, is you need to be sure of foot. It's a very, very uneven paths. Even though they are designated pathways, they are very uneven.
Very easy to slip over and hurt yourself, twist your ankle. The other thing is it's very cold. It was 0 degrees, so they did warn us, so we did wear our coats.
Yeah.
You're so high up, it's so cold.
But good. As you can see, even the scenery around is pretty stunning.
Yeah.
So we're going to sit here, take it all in for the next 15 minutes, waiting for the minibus, and then we'll see you back on the ship.